Hello friends and greetings for the day. Welcome back to another episode of Technical Vocabulary where we learn meaning and definition of several technical words. As a part of today's episode, we are talking about next term of testing or documentation, which we can call it as work product. Now, work product is basically any such documentation which you created as a part of your development process or development life cycle. Anything which you create and is reused throughout the life cycle is referred to as work product. Now, the reason why we call it as work product because the documentation is also a working piece of activity or working piece of information which will enable you to do a lot of your activities further within the life cycle. Now, for example, the requirement is one of the work product. Design is one of the work product. In fact, the code is also a work product. Now, why do we call them as work product? Because requirement can be created much earlier in the life cycle, but will be referred by different teams in order to derive their own aspects. For example, design team will refer it to create use cases. The development team will refer it to prepare the code, algorithms, and not many other things. And when it comes to testing, they will also derive test cases using the same. Now, in fact, when it comes to the testing lifecycle, we do have work products from there as well. For example, test plan, test strategy, level test plan, test cases, anything, any such documentation which is created from the point of being referred or that helps you to derive some of the other activities within the lifecycle is called as a working product. Okay, and in fact, the reports which you create is also called as a work product. So it's just that it's a technical terminology being referred to call the official documentation of a project as work product. In fact, the review report, the test summary report, or test report can also be referred to a work product. So anything as a documentation which you create, or you can say that when you do that as a part of reviewing or static testing, you review a work product. And anything which is created as a part of the overall life cycle and can be referred again within the life cycle for any purposes, you refer it to as work product. So that's all from this particular tutorial, team. Should you have any other words and terminologies with you, feel them to drop them below. I'm always here to assist you with better justifications and talk about them. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring, keep understanding the context. Thanks for watching the video, team, and happy learning.